Axis commanders thought they had the skies under control, but in private, away from their officers and propaganda, they admitted something shocking, something they never wanted the world to know. The Allies were unstoppable.
It's the height of World War II. Allied planes, B-17s, B-24s, Spitfires, are striking deeper than ever. Factories, railways, supply lines, nothing is safe. On the surface, Axis leaders acted confident, but in private journals and letters, fear and respect for Allied air power were everywhere.
Allied air power wasn't just numbers, it was coordination, strategy, and technology. Crews flew in precise formations, gunners covered each other, and pilots executed evasive maneuvers that frustrated even the most experienced Axis aviators. To many commanders, it seemed like they were fighting ghosts, machines that refused to break.
In confidential diaries and after-action reports, Axis leaders admitted the Allies' bombing raids were far more effective than anticipated. They called them relentless, impossible to stop, even a force we cannot match. Some wrote about sleepless nights, worrying that every Allied sortie could destroy everything they were defending.
The surprise wasn't just the bombs, it was the precision, the timing, and the sheer audacity of Allied crews. Even elite Luftwaffe and Japanese pilots admitted privately that some raids seemed impossible to survive. Axis air defenses were powerful, but nowhere near enough to match the scale and coordination of the Allies.
These private admissions reveal something crucial. Victory isn't just about machines or numbers. It's about courage, coordination, and relentless determination. Allied air power didn't just destroy factories and supplies. It shattered confidence and forced Axis leaders to rethink everything they knew about warfare.
So, when we study World War II, remember this: the true power of the Allies wasn't always visible. It was in their strategy, their discipline, and the respect, even fear, they commanded in the hearts of their enemies. What Axis commanders admitted in private tells us as much about the Allies' skill as any battle ever could.
If you want more stories from the skies of World War II, hit subscribe. Every plane, every raid, every story has a secret waiting to be uncovered.